What's the meaning of artery? Artery. Artery.
Artery. Artery. The term artery refers to a type of blood vessel in the human body that carries oxygenated blood away from the heart and toward the rest of the body. Arteries are typically thick-walled and have a higher blood pressure than other types of blood vessels, which helps to ensure a consistent flow of blood throughout the body. In addition to oxygen, arteries also transport vital nutrients and hormones to organs and tissues, making them an essential component of the circulatory system. Overall, arteries play a crucial role in maintaining proper bodily function and supporting overall health.